Welcome to our HRM software tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through the employee section and all its features. So let's get started. The employee section was created to provide a comprehensive and organized way to manage all the details related to each employee in your organization. This feature allows for efficient handling of employees' information, enhancing overall productivity and ensuring that critical data is easily accessible. First, let's take a look at the employee section. Here, you can manage all the details related to each employee in your organization. So this is a list view. For demonstration, we will use the profile of Deepak, an employee with ID 003. So here you can see the name of the employee, the mail ID, contact number, employee code, roles, manager, designation, location, joining date, inactive, active status, and that is the employment type. So you can assign multiple roles and designation to each employee for intents. For instance, Deepak is assigned as both an employee and a manager. So if you want to add the details of any employee, so you have to come to the add new button. On here, you can fill all the details which is mandatory, like full name, email address, contact number, employee code, roles, manager, designation, joining date, location, employment type. So here is a one new option, that is a geofencing. So if you will on the geofencing, so in that condition, it will ask you for the radius. So this is the radius for that employee can mark their attendance only from the location you will assign to him. Like if you want to assign only your office location, so you can just select the radius of nearby of your office location. And you can select the radius here, mention in the meters and submit. So the employees can mark the attendance only from the designated location. This is the very good features. You can manage the attendance from this as well. Like geofencing, it will be good to manage the attendance of the employees. So employee will cannot mark his attendance from outside the designated area. So all the details you have to fill and you have to click over the submit. So after fill all the details, you can see this list view. And after that, you can see all the details which you have mentioned in here. So let's explore the tabs which is mentioned here, like personal tabs. So in the personal tab, you can fill in personal information such as gender, PAN card number, Aadhaar card number, marital status, date of birth, father and husband name, and address by the click of this button. So you can see all the fields you have to mention in the personal details. So when you will click over the previous employment details, so here you have to mention all the history details of the employment, like the previous organization name, start date, and the last salary. And if you want the other employment, you can click over the add and you can fill the another employment details. Now let's move to the next tab, that is the educational details. So here, when you will click over the add button, you can see the information you have to fill, like your school or university name, your class or degree, specialization, passing year, grade. So you have to mention all the details in the add educational details. And same, if you want to add any another educational details, you can click over the add button. And after that, you have to save it. So when you will click over the save, the details will be saved in this tab. Let's move to the payroll details. So here again the add button is also available here. So here you have to mention the salary of the employee and the template. So you have to create the template from the another feature of the software, and you can assign the multiple templates to the multiple employees. So here we have a default salary template which is created for the all employees. But if you want to assign any specific template, so you can create the template and you can assign to the particular person from here. So according to that template, the salary will be calculated. And here is the leave tab is also available. So here you can mention all the leaves which you will provide to the employee, like sick leaves, like if you're providing two or three or a one per month leave if you are assigning as a sick leave, so you can mention that leave and effective from date. If you are giving optional leave or any other leave, so you can mention leaves here. So for creating the leaves, we have another feature. So here, that location you can create your leaves, and that leave will be show here. But from here, you can allot the leave to the particular person, and you can save the details. Let's still move to the documents. So here you can upload all the documents related to the employees like Aadhaar, PAN card, or a verification documents, license, educational documents, employment documents. All the documents you can upload by this upload button, and after that you can save it. So when you will save the document, then the document will be uploaded here with the name. Now the next tab is feedback. So in that feedback tab, you can give and take the feedback of any employee from any another person, or you can provide the feedback from here. Like if you want to request for the feedback, now you can click over the request and you can ask for the feedback to any of the manager of your company for any particular employee, and add feedback if you want to come here, and if you want to add the feedback of Deepak, so in that condition you can click over the add feedback. Now the salary revision option is also available. Like if there is any kind of raising in your salary, in the salary of any particular employee, then you can come and you can add on the revision. So enter the revision salary, effective month, assign the template and description, and save it. So according to that, the salary revision will be done, and after the revision salary, the salary will be calculated. Now the next step is assets management. So all the information related to the assets like the laptop, mouse, keyboard, headphones, mobile handset, so any kind of information related to the assets of the company you can manage here by this add new button. Name, device identifier, assign date, price, and description. So you have to mention all the details related to the assets and save it. It will be good option to you to track about your assets information. Now, work logs. So here you can see all the information related to your working hours. So here there is a no login and logout is there. So that's why it's not showing any data from this to this duration. But if you will log in by this check-in, check-out buttons, according to that, your data will be mentioned here. So it will be also a good option to track your working hours, your timing that you have completed the working hours or not. So last one is the setting option. So in this, two options are available, right? Like generate, regenerate the password and archive user. So after initiating the password, regeneration process for any of the employee and email has been sent to their registered email address. So in that condition, you just have to check your mail, and according to the instruction, you can regenerate your password. Archive user. So if you want to inactive the employee, like if any employee is exit from your company, so you can come here and you can archive the employee. So it will be showing an inactive sheet. So this is the part of employee section. And here also edit button is available. Like if you want to edit any of the details of your employees, it will be you can do from here. And let's go to the employee option again. So here you can see that the search here. So you can search by the name. So it's a filter is also available, search by name, email, employee code, contact numbers, all the information related for the search is available. So you can search by any of them like name, email, employee code, anything which you want to. If you have employee code, then you can search by the employee code. If you have only a name, then you can search by the name. And if you have a mail ID, then you can search by the mail ID. And we have a filter option is also available, like filter by the role, by the manager, by the employment type, joining at, or a Andy. So according whatever details you want to select, you can select it, and according to that filter will be applied. And after that, if you want to clear the filter, you can do it. And this is for archived employee list. If you want to see the archived employees, you just have to click over this checkbox, and the list of the employees who are archived will be shown you. Like if you want to archive the Deepak, then you come to the setting and you have to click over the archive, and you have to type the name of the employee, which is Deepak, and you have to archive it. So it is giving you the message that user archived successfully. So for that, you just have to come to here. You have to click over this checkbox, and you can see the information of Deepak is here. So this is the archive list. And if you want to export any kind of list, you can do it from here. So it will become in an Excel form. And if you want to add the employees, then you can come to the add new and fill all the details related to the employees. So now it's done from my side. All the information I have given to you related to the employees. So that's an overview of the employee section in our HRM software. We hope this video helps you navigate and utilize the features effectively. Thank you for watching.